Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. Experience the thrill of flight with the DJI Flip, a lightweight and versatile drone perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and aerial imaging enthusiasts alike. Weighing just 249 g, the Flip doesn't require FAA registration, letting you take to the skies with ease. Built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors provide added safety, giving first-time pilots confidence during every flight. Equipped with an advanced camera system, the DJI Flip captures stunning 4K 60 video and crisp stills in 12MP or 48MP resolution. For photography enthusiasts, the Flip supports DNG RAW images, allowing for professional-level editing and enhanced creative control. Videographers will appreciate the flat D-Log-M video profile, perfect for adjusting color and exposure in post-production. Control the Flip your way, via the included remote, your smartphone app, or on aircraft controls, and enjoy a live 1080p video feed that brings every flight directly to your screen. Its compact 3.1x 11.0x 9.2-inch design and durable rotors make it easy to transport while ensuring stability in the air. Whether you're just starting your drone journey, capturing cinematic footage, or flying for fun, the DJI Flip offers a seamless experience with professional-grade results. Its lightweight design, intuitive controls, and high-resolution camera make it the ideal drone for recreational flyers and creative storytellers who want stunning aerial imagery without the hassle of registration or complicated setups. Specifications: for rotors, integrated gimbal, 48MP camera, 4K video, internal/micro SDXC storage, smartphone/tablet or dedicated LCD remote control, live 1080p feed. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. Take your aerial photography and videography to new heights with the DJI Mini 3, an entry-level drone that combines portability, performance, and creative flexibility. Weighing just 249 g, the Mini 3 is FAA exempt for registration, making it ideal for recreational flyers and first-time drone pilots. Its compact 2.4x 3.5x 5.7-inch frame and lightweight design allow for effortless travel, while GPS-assisted flight and a return-to-home function provide added safety and stability in the air. The Mini 3's camera captures stunning 4K 30 video with HDR support, offering both landscape and vertical orientations for versatile content creation. Its 12MP sensor shoots high-quality JPG or RAW DNG images, and the f1.7 optics perform well even during low-light conditions at dawn or dusk. Content creators can seamlessly switch between wide and tall formats, making it perfect for social media, YouTube, and TikTok videos. With a 38-minute maximum flight time, you can capture more footage per flight, and the drone's integrated gimbal ensures smooth, stabilized shots. Licensed pilots can also utilize remote ID for professional work such as real estate photography or monetized content creation, though an extended battery is recommended for full remote ID functionality. Whether you're flying for fun, capturing cinematic shots, or producing content for your audience, the DJI Mini 3 delivers impressive performance in a compact, user-friendly package. Its lightweight frame, high-resolution camera, and intuitive controls make it the ultimate drone for beginners, hobbyists, and creative professionals alike. Specifications: for rotors, integrated gimbal, 12MP camera, 4K video, micro SDXC storage, dedicated remote or app control, live 1080p video feed. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. Discover the Potensic Atom 2, a lightweight 249G drone that proves you don't need a DJI to capture stunning aerial footage. Perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and licensed pilots alike, this compact quadcopter combines portability, performance, and professional-grade features in a user-friendly package. Its FAA-exempt weight allows recreational flyers to take off without registration, while built-in remote ID ensures compliance for commercial operations. The Atom 2 features a 4K 30 camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, stable video. Photographers will love its ability to capture 12MP or 48MP stills, including RAW DNG format for creative editing flexibility. The FOV and image stabilization makes sunrise, sunset, and everyday shots look cinematic, while the 1080p live video feed allows for precise framing and real-time monitoring. With a 32-minute flight time, the Atom 2 gives you plenty of airtime to explore, experiment, and perfect your shots. Its dedicated remote control offers intuitive operation, but you can also use the companion app for added convenience. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, careful piloting ensures safe, reliable flights. Whether you're just starting your drone journey, capturing aerial content for fun, or flying professionally for real estate, YouTube, or stock footage, the Potensic Atom 2 delivers a versatile, high-quality experience. Its lightweight design, powerful camera, and professional-ready features make it a standout choice for pilots at any level. Specifications: for rotors, integrated 3-axis gimbal, 48MP camera, 4K video, microSD storage, dedicated remote or app control, 1080p live video feed, 32-minute battery life. Number 4. DJI Neo. Capture stunning selfies and landscape videos effortlessly with the DJI Neo, a lightweight and compact drone designed for beginners and casual flyers. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, the Neo can be flown without FAA registration in the US, making it a convenient choice for recreational pilots. Its built-in propeller guards and palm launch design make takeoffs and landings safe and simple, while automated flight paths allow even first-time users to capture cinematic shots with the push of a button. Equipped with a 12MP camera and stabilized gimbal, the DJI Neo records smooth 4K video and offers 1080p live video feed for precise framing. Its compact design allows for easy portability, so you can take it anywhere to snap quick selfies or scenic aerial shots. While the video profile isn't as advanced as higher-end DJI models, it delivers great quality for social media, vlogs, and casual content creation. Control options are flexible. Fly the Neo using a smartphone app or purchase a dedicated remote for extended range and a more tactile experience. Its 18-minute flight time gives you plenty of airtime to explore and experiment. Ideal for beginners, selfie enthusiasts, and recreational flyers, the DJI Neo combines affordability, portability, and intuitive operation. Its small size, automated features, and easy-to-use camera make it perfect for capturing fun aerial moments on the go, all without the complexity or cost of more professional drones. Specifications: for rotors, integrated gimbal, 12MP camera, 4K video, internal storage, smartphone/tablet app control, 1080p live video feed, 18-minute flight time. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. Experience flight like never before with the DJI Avata 2, a first-person view, FPV, drone designed to put you in the pilot's seat of an agile, adrenaline-fueled aircraft. Unlike traditional drones, the Avata 2 is built for high-speed maneuvers through tight spaces, allowing flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical dives, all while streaming an ultra-low latency live feed directly to your eyes through its included micro OLED goggles. The Avata 2 balances extreme thrill with beginner-friendly controls. Its motion-sensitive controller lets you fly intuitively, hover midair, and brake quickly for safer, more forgiving flight. Capture cinematic footage in 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second, perfect for high-speed action videos. While it doesn't include automatic obstacle avoidance, the drone's responsive controls make navigating tricky environments less intimidating. The included goggles deliver a crystal-clear image and feature adjustable eyepieces for interpupillary distance and diopter correction, ensuring comfort even for those with imperfect vision. Optional upgrades, like the DJI Remote Controller 3, provide full manual twin-stick control for advanced pilots ready to push the limits. Whether you're a thrill seeker, FPV hobbyist, or content creator looking for dynamic, immersive shots, the DJI Avata 2 delivers a unique flying experience. Its combination of high-resolution video, responsive motion controls, and intuitive goggles make it an ideal FPV drone for both beginners and intermediate pilots seeking an unforgettable aerial adventure. Specifications: for rotors, FPV micro OLED goggles, motion-sensitive controller, 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second video, 1080p live feed, optional DJI Remote Controller 3.